Hello everyone. Today we will see page layout tab in Excel. So let's start. This is page layout tab and these are the tools of page layout tab. So this is called theme. Here color, fonts, effects all are available. Right now you can see this selected. Okay, so now we have selected office theme. If I select, if I put my mouse pointer, if I click, then that will be selected, but if I don't click but put my mouse pointer, you can see the relevant changes in the Excel sheet. Okay, the font, the color. Okay, then you can select them and it will be applied. Now colors, uh, if you select this and y- if you put your mouse pointer, you can see the changes of different colors. Okay, if anything you want, just click to apply. uh, if you select on fonts, right now office is selected, the top one, but if you select this, you can see the relevant changes. Okay, I am keeping the original one. Now you can see the margins. I'm going to file and print. This is our page, so if we print this page, it will be printed. What is margin? This is called margin. Okay, the above empty area, the bottom empty area, the right empty area, left empty area, these are called margins. And currently normal margin is selected. Okay, here from here, uh, we can see there are four available. These normal, wide and narrow, these are default margins, but if you want, you can make your own margin. Okay, from here I can show you in a better way. If I select wide margin, you will see the relevant changes. If I see, it has changed. Here in this place, above or bottom, there is some more empty area than before. If I make it narrow, if I click it, you will see it is now the margin is narrowed. Or we can do custom margin from this option. Okay, we can lower, or we can increase or decrease the top margin. We can increase or decrease the margin. Okay, and right, I am uh, in both right and left, 0.25 margin is selected, and bottom point. So everywhere I am selecting 0.25, and okay, you will see everywhere these are the relevant margins. Here there is no data. If there was data, it would go up to this place. Okay, so if you want to keep your original margin, that is normal margin, click that again and click normal. It will be back to normal. Now orientation. If you There are two type of orientation here available: portrait and landscape. If if you this is the print preview. uh, this is portrait view. If I select it to landscape, then it will be like this. Okay, then size. Okay, this is actually the size of the page. Here different size of the page is available: letter, tabulate, legal, settlement. Let's see. uh, Print. uh, right now A4 is selected. This is actually usually we use in our office or in our work. But if you want letter sized, then it will be like this. If you can select A3, you can select A5. Okay, so different orientation, different you can select. Right now I am selecting A4. Okay, different size you can select. Now print area, breaks, wide, height, scale, different. There are different ways how we can use them. Okay, I am not using them. These are actually used to uh, fix the page structure that is going to be printed. Okay, I'm showing you that will make more sense. Okay, but uh, to work with that, first check your width is set to automatic. Here so many options are available. Set to automatic. Your height is also set to automatic, and your scale is also set to 100. Okay, when automatic and 100 is selected, then go to page view. Okay, and from okay, before that, uh, I am showing you from file. If I print, you can see from date to cost of goods sold column. Okay, but in our original data you can see from date to net profit is given. Okay, so it is not covering the whole thing. So how we can, if I want to print the entire thing, how we can do that? So for that, I'm going again from page layout, check it is set to automatic and 100. Then go to view and then page break. Here you can see the how your page will be printed. Okay, if you stretch this horizontally, you can see up to this data, it is under page 1. Up to this data, it is under page 4, and there are so many other pages are available. If you stretch, you can see these breaks, and you can modify them also. Okay, so horizontally I want only, there will be only one page. Okay, so this is our page number 1, and from here I am reducing the size. So this is our page 1, and if you go down, this is also can be selected like that. Okay, we can, if I go more down, you will see more page breaks here. But right now I am breaking the entire dataset into two uh, parts. That is from 1 to 51 there will be one part, and up to this there will be page 2. I am going, I'm selecting up to this. Now this is our shape. Okay, now if I go to file and see print preview, you can see now from date to net profit is covering horizontally and vertically. We have set two pages. Horizontally we have set one. Everything should be under one page, and vertically uh, we have set two pages. So here you can see page 1 and page 2. If I click on page 2, the rest of the data is available here. Okay, so this way you should set your page structure to be printed. Okay, if you click print, then both of this page will be printed just according to the structure we are seeing right now. Okay, but here you can see in this first page the column headings are available. Okay, but in second page the column headings are not available, so it will be quite difficult to read. So what I'll do now, these headings will be copied here. How we can do that? I'm going back to normal view, and from page layout I'm going to print titles, and here if you want to copy the row, then you have to select this. If you want, if there is this headings were in vertical format and data gone to horizontal format, then we should select column. Okay, but right now our headings are in the in this, our headings are available in this row. So I have selected this row. Then when I uh, in any of this area, I am just clicking once. When I click once, this range will be selected, then okay. Now if I print, okay, this was our first page. So the row was, the column heading was available before. Now if I go to page 2, you can see, we can see the same uh, column heading in row format. Okay, so now this is not difficult for us to read. Now uh, if I I'm going to page break view again. If I'm stretching up to this, and I uh, I want, okay, if I want this up to page 1 and I don't want this 2 pages, I want everything under page 1, it is also possible. But because we are now covering a larger data set, then and it will be printed under one page, then the font will be much smaller now. Okay, if I go to file and click on print, we can see there is only one page now, and it is covering the whole data set horizontally and the whole data set vertically under one page. But because now we are covering a big larger data set, the font will become smaller. Okay, so this way you can adjust your page size horizontally and vertically and print accordingly. If you want some more clarification on this particular topic or any other topic, please let me know in the comment. I will make tutorial on them. Okay, now I'm going to normal view again. Page, today we are covering page layout. Now background, I will show you background now. Okay, before background I'm showing you this, then I will show you background. uh, Grid lines. Okay, here these are called grid lines. Okay, now because I have checked in view, we can see them. But if I click this and the tick mark is gone, now we can see a white background. That means there is no grid line here. But if I click it again, we can see the grid line again. Okay, but if I print this, we can see there is no grid line. Okay, but if you want to print the grid lines also, then you have to uh, put a tick mark on print. Now if I print, you can see uh, the grid lines are available now. Okay, these are called headings. Okay, now what is headings? This is C column, this is D column, this is L column, this is O column. That every column has their own headings, and these are rows. This is a row, row number 9. This is another row, row number 27. So these are rows, and respective numbers are their headings. Okay, we can see them because we have put a tick mark on view. If I do this, you can see the column headings and row headings are gone. Now we can see that again. But when we print this, we cannot see any column or row headings. Okay, but if you also want to print them, then click on this, um, from file, print. Now you can see the row and column headings also, and print accordingly. uh, I am now okay, grid line is off now. If I want to add a background image before this data, then that is, so behind this data, I will click this background, and then from work offline I am going to desktop where I kept an image. This is my image. Double click on that, you will see, we can see a background. So the data is looking more nice here. If we want, we can add grid line also. So this is how we can add background image. Okay, uh, again, and if you don't need this background image, then you can click on delete background, then it will be automatically deleted. When you include this a background image, you will see that this background, I'm going again, when I included this background image, I can see that previously its name was background only, but now its name is delete background. Now we can delete. If I delete, then the background is gone, and now delete word is gone. Now only background is showing. So this is how we can add background image. Here these are used for objects actually. For example, let's insert object first. I'm inserting rectangular here, uh, and oval here. Okay, this is blue, I am making it green. another triangle here, small triangle, and I'm making it orange. Okay. the, Currently you can see that this image, this shape is above blue. Blue is behind this. Okay, but if you want to make this behind blue, how can you do that? Select this, and from send backward, it will be gone. Okay, if you want to bring it forward, then select that again, bring forward. Now you can see this orange. I- so what is the difference between send backward and send to back? Let's see it. When I select this and select send backward, it will go uh, behind only green, but before blue. Okay, but if I select this again and click this send to back, then that will go the back. Okay, that is the last. Okay, if I want to, I'm doing this now. Okay, and if I'm selecting this, if I click this and bring forward, it will be before blue. But if I select that and bring to front, it will be before blue and green. So this is how we can uh, move our objects forward and backwards one step or to the last step. Okay, now these are here we have created three objects. Okay, so when you will select selection pane, you will see these three objects name: rectangle, oval, and isosceles triangle. Okay, here you can hide everything by clicking this and show all. If you click show all, you will see everything. Okay, if you want to for example, if you want to see, if you want to omit this, these are eyes. When I will click on eyes, eye beside rectangle, then the rectangle will be gone. Okay, if I click on this eye before beside oval, then the oval will be gone. Okay, if I click it again, then it will appear again. So this is how we can do this. And if I want to bring this rectangle at the top, I can select this, and this is up forward. I can also make it forward like this. Okay, if I want the triangle to be appear at the very beginning, then I'm selecting triangle and being forward. This is how we can make it. If I want this oval shaped to bring to appear at the top, then I'm selecting this, and now it is appeared one step ahead. Then if I click it again, it will be at the top. So this is how this option works. Now if I want to move them, okay, then this will be moved separately. I can make an image. Okay, I am doing this from selection pane, triangle. Okay, so for example, this is our logo. Okay, but if I move this, then only one shape will be moved. I want, when I try to move this entire to be grouped. So what is the benefit of group? Let's see. Let's select everything by, I am pressing Control from the keyboard, and again clicking this option, and again clicking this structure. So by pressing Control from your keyboard, just select all the uh, shape you have created. then go to group and click on group. Now every shape has turned into one shape. Now when you can move like this, everything will be go together. Now if you want to break this group, no problem, select it again, go to group, and you can ungroup. Now you can uh, move them separately. Okay, rotate. When you select any option, you can rotate it different degrees. Okay, so these are the function of these tools. I hope it helps. That's all for today, and thank you very much.